What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash today. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon. I was going to include this video on my recent video that I made like 20 minutes ago, but I totally forgot to do it. I even said it in the video that I was going to throw Bitcoin Cash in at the end there, but I was looking at my list and I was at the end of it. I totally forgot that I was going to put that one on there. So here we are, Dragon Riders. Here we are talking about this right now. Looking good on the daily RSI. I think it's fine. I think we are probably getting ready. I'm sorry, this is the weekly RSI. Okay, weekly RSI. We could go down a little bit more, but we're probably getting ready to move up on a week-to-week notice. So it might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but sometime over the coming weeks, I think we are looking like we want to move up. On the daily RSI, we have gone back below the 50. I think that we've broken this potential like upward sloping structure that we had, which is not encouraging. We would really need today to close green. We need to move up today to close green to hold this 40, because if not, that absolutely means we're going to go lower. On the bright side, you guys, we have hit the lower kind of end of the targets that I've been giving since this high up here, which is at about 440, 450, right? That was the area, 465, 440, something like that. And we actually hit about 446, 98 cents, so 447. That does suffice for low, in my opinion. I would just like to see, if that is our low, I'd like to see us get some upside right now. The 4 hour looks grim, it looks bleak, it looks sad. You're not getting oversold though. You do kind of have a double bottom, which there is that hope going for us right now. Can we do something with it? If so, we need to do something with it today. I would like to see Bitcoin Cash today close around, if not above, $477. We're at $457 right now. So if you can get above $477 today, that'd be phenomenal. At least $465 would be nice. But then at those points, then we can start looking deeper in these fib ranges and beyond, and getting out of here, forming our next higher high after forming a higher low. But that's a time for another video, maybe another day tomorrow or something like that, whenever we have confirmation of today's close. But yeah, 4 hour, there's good things going for it, but it looks weaker than it does bullish. 1 hour is neutral, but definitely not bullish. And the daily, I've kind of lost hope on the daily. It broke that structure, I think, but I suppose if it holds here, it's fine. You might not have structure, but I mean, you're bouncing off the 40, which is an area that has shown support several times in this thing's history. So, and we're at a place in the price that makes sense to bounce to. So anyways, that's all I got. Hopefully we hold the line here. That's the low. I know that I wasn't convinced that this was our low for a little bit here, right? It was something like, I want to say it was this day. I forget when it was, but I was convinced that we were going to go higher. Then we got up here. I just want to set the record straight, man, because I just feel like setting the record straight, I guess. I don't know, tonight, for whatever reason. I could have just ended the video, but no, here I am explaining myself for whatever reason. I started getting bearish up here, saying that we were going to go down. The price has changed variously, right? I've said that we were going to go to 495, potentially like 465. There's a time where I thought that was the low that day, but then we actually continued to go lower. This whole time I have been, even though there's been times where I'm like, that might have been the low, I have not been convinced any of these times as much as I am now that this could be the low, right? We could go lower. I'm accepting of that. I'm totally going to be unfazed if we do go lower, but I have a lot more faith that today could be the low that we've been looking for over the past couple weeks. If we can close today green, if we can get some solid movement up, I would really like us to close above 477, something like that. 465 at least would be nice today, but moving up from here, engulfing yesterday would be nice to see. I'm very confident that this is the low right now, more confident than any of these times, but I don't know what else to say other than that, man. Time will tell. We'll see, but I think that we're moving up from here. So that's all I got to say. Hit that like button, subscribe to see more. Thank you all for coming. Bye bye.